The CX-9 features a smart, well-appointed interior that is bound to spoil everyone on board. Comfort and versatility are standard in every seat and carry throughout the thoughtfully designed details. The ultra-convenient power liftgate makes getting groceries in and out a breeze. Folding down the second and third row seats gives you over 100 cubic feet of space, providing storage options versatile enough to meet all your basic needs. And of course, you can't forget the little ones. The rear seat DVD entertainment system makes those long trips a little more enjoyable. Settle into the power driver's seat that includes memory for up to 3 drivers and heated front seats for added comfort. And the CX-9 steering wheel keeps control for audio, cruise control, and Bluetooth no further than a thumb's reach away. Getting around town has never been easier with CX-9's navigation system that includes real-time traffic to show you the fastest way to your destination. And thanks to the helpful voice command function, you can get step-by-step directions without taking your eyes off the road. And finally, everyone can comfortably enjoy the ride thanks to the standard 3-zone automatic climate control that lets you set individual temperatures for the driver, front passenger, and rear seat passengers. 3 spacious rows provide plenty of room for 7. The second row seats slide as necessary to accommodate longer legs and are equipped with rear access latches that are so convenient, even the kids will find them easy to use. With all this space and technology at your fingertips, you'll quickly find yourself wrapped in a world of comfortable seclusion.